Intelligent Kiddos. Happy kids. Happy learning.
Hello my dear kids, today we are going to learn how to write the alphabet. So let's start. Draw a left slanting line from the red line. Now draw a right slanting line. Now draw a sleeping line between the two lines. It makes the letter A. A for ant. Draw a standing line. Make a right curve between the two lines and again draw a right curve joining the previous curve. Makes the letter B. B for ball. Make a left curve. It makes the letter C. C for cat. Draw a standing line. Now draw a right curve joining the line. Makes the letter D. D for dog. Draw a standing line. Now draw a sleeping line, middle sleeping line and the bottom sleeping line. Makes the letter E. E for elephant. Draw a standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. It makes the letter F. F for fish. Draw a left curve. Now draw a standing line and sleeping line. Makes the letter G. G for grapes. Draw a standing line. Now draw a middle sleeping line and joining standing line. Makes the letter H. H for horse. Draw a standing line, upper sleeping line, bottom sleeping line. Makes the letter I. I for ice cream. Draw a standing line. Now draw a small curve and sleeping line. Makes the letter J. J for jelly. Draw a standing line, left slanting line, right slanting line. Makes the letter K. K for kite. Draw a standing line, bottom sleeping line. Makes the letter L. L for lion. Draw a standing line, right slanting line, left slanting line and standing line. Makes the letter M. M for monkey. Standing line. Now draw right slanting line and standing line from the bottom. Makes the letter N. N for nest. Draw left curve, joining right curve. Make the letter O. O for owl. Make a standing line. Now draw half right curve. Makes the letter P. P for parrot. Make a left curve, joining right curve. Now draw a right slanting line. Makes the letter Q. Q for queen. Draw a standing line, half right curve, joining right slanting line. Makes the letter R. R for rabbit. Draw a half left curve, joining right curve. Makes the letter S. S for sun. Draw a standing line and upper sleeping line. Makes the letter T. T for train. Draw a standing line towards down. Make a curve. Now draw a standing line towards up. Makes the letter U. U for umbrella. Draw right slanting line towards down, left slanting line towards up. Makes the letter V. V for van. Draw right slanting line towards down. Make a left slanting line, again right slanting line, again left slanting line towards up. Makes the letter W. W for watch. Draw a right slanting line. Cross with left slanting line. Makes the letter X. X for xylophone. Draw a right slanting line. Left slanting line towards up. And now draw a standing line. Makes the letter Y. Y for Yash. Draw a sleeping line. Now left slanting line. Again sleeping line. Makes the letter Z. Z for zebra. Kids, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.